The Dirty Dozen in Aviation Maintenance. Welcome. In this video, we will explore human factors, lack of knowledge. First, we will start with an introduction. Secondly, we will cover the complexity of aircraft systems and then present a real-life example. After that, we will see recommendations and best practices. Finally, we will address encouraging knowledge sharing and asking for help. And then we will conclude with a brief summary and key takeaways. Let's begin with the introduction. Regulatory requirements for training and qualifications are comprehensive, but without on-the-job experience and specific knowledge, workers can misjudge situations and make unsafe decisions. Let's explore how this can impact safety. Let's continue with the complexity of aircraft systems. Aircraft systems are incredibly complex and integrated. Performing tasks without substantial technical training, current relevant experience, and adequate reference documents is nearly impossible. Systems and procedures can change rapidly, making it essential for employees to stay updated. Continuing professional development is key to maintaining safety and efficiency. Let's move on to a real-life example. Consider this real-life scenario. A maintenance technician new to the job was tasked with inspecting a vital aircraft component. Lacking specific knowledge and experience, they overlooked an important step in the procedure. This oversight led to a significant safety hazard. This example highlights the importance of thorough training and the dangers of assuming knowledge. Now, let's proceed with recommendations and best practices. To mitigate the risks associated with lack of knowledge, follow these best practices. Engage in continuous professional development, regularly update your knowledge on systems and procedures, and always refer to checklists and reference publications. Encourage a culture where asking for help is seen as a strength, not a weakness. Let's discuss encouraging knowledge sharing and asking for help. Experienced workers should share their knowledge with colleagues, and asking for help should be encouraged. Utilizing checklists and reference publications is vital. Never make assumptions or rely solely on memory. Continuous learning and collaboration are key to preventing errors. Let's finish with the conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, lack of knowledge can lead to unsafe decisions in aviation maintenance. Stay informed, seek help when needed, and always refer to checklists and manuals. Remember, training equals knowledge, and knowledge equals safety.